What is going on, guys? It's about RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34 in this amazing HKS Super Royal 87 livery. I've been eyeing this particular model for a very long time, and also you guys, if you guys noticed so far, we have not done any IDs so far in this channel, and this is our first ID unboxing. And yeah, so basically Hot Wheels came out with this separate thing where they wanted to integrate a bit of virtual reality. They came out with ID. However, people weren't really a huge fan of it, and Hot Wheels actually decided to stop making more models. So technically it is a limited run collectible, which means, right, these will only gain value. However, the value increases when it's carded inside the box. It's not carded, so it's boxed. However, I'm going to open it. I'm going to display it in a separate piece, separate case, because I think we all gotta enjoy the beautiful design of this car. So yeah, right off the bat, here's the box that you get the ID with. It actually comes with a flap, which means you can open it and you can actually see the car right there, which really just makes it that much cooler. So you've got some information over here. It says a virtual garage, it says speed, laps, races. So it's very nicely well done, very nicely designed. I'm super excited to see the wheels on this, because I've noticed that IDs have different types of wheels on them, so I want to check that out real soon as well. So yeah, we're going to dive right into the unboxing. But before that, I just want to point out to you, so this is from the Speed Graphics series. There are 4 cars, and this is the 3rd car of the series. Nothing much there, just a little bit of an information. We've got stuff at the bottom as well, so here's where you actually can scan. I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to leave that for myself, but you can actually download the app in the App Store, in the Google Play. You can play it, like, it's virtual and stuff. So it's really cool. So we are gonna dive right into it. We're gonna quickly just cut the slot right there, and we're gonna open up the ID card, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it, the Hot Wheels, the BNR, the R34 ID, and right off the bat, it just looks amazing. It looks very nice. Let's just try to unbox this. I do not know where to go on from here. Do I just pull it out? Oh, okay, I got it. Maybe we were stuck for a while, but I actually got it. So yeah, the box itself, it's a very nice box, right? You can also use it to display. Here, maybe you can do something like this, right? And you can display the car. I don't know, I'll think about it in the future. I'll see what I want to do, how I want to display this. But here is it, the R34, and I'm just insane. I mean, this is insanely amazing, guys. Right off the bat, it's very light. It's not a heavy car. Most like premiums, they have a relative weight to it. This does not. However, the details and the design features or elements in this is insane. So we're going to start doing exactly that. So right off the bat, the right side of the vehicle, we've got the Hot Wheels ID written right there. This amazing font that covers the petrol or the fuel pump door. We've got this very nice HKS livery. It's very consistent with the HKS sponsors, right? So you got HKS 87 Super Oil right there. And guys, check out the wheels. I told you about the wheels earlier on, right? Check out the wheels. It says Speed Graphics right there, which I believe, if I'm not wrong, is the name of the series that this car belongs to. So it says Speed Graphics right there, and it says something series. I have no idea. I can't read that. Pardon me, I really cannot see what this. Let me try to see if I can read off the box. It says, yep, no idea. I've got no idea, guys, what it says. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know what the little decal on the wheel says. The other side, one says speed graphics, the other side I have no idea. Anyways, moving on from there, we've got a front wheel, which is exactly the same. They're this very weird wavy kind of rims, which is weirdly cool, I guess. And these aren't rubber tires, by the way, guys. If you check out, these are plastic tires. They're piece of plastic detail tires. They're not rubber tires, which is I got it's a little bit disappointing. Rubber tires would have been cooler. It would make the car more collectible in a sense, if you know what I mean. But yeah, anyways, we're going to move on to the front. We've got printed headlights. They're not plastic examples, they're printed headlights. The front grille, we don't have a GTR badge over here. Unlike most GTR models, you see we've got a hood. Vents right there, HKS support written here, 87 written at the roof panel right there. And we can see the little bit of the interior as well. I don't know if it's clear for you. We can see a little bit of the interior, not much details there, very basic bucket seats and steering wheel. And then from here, if you actually move on to the left side of the vehicle, it is exactly the same as the right. Not much details. So the wheels, they spin amazingly well once again. I think this is really going to look nice, you know, wherever I display it. This has that presence with it. Don't you agree? And yeah, so we've got HKS 87 Super Oil, Hot Wheels ID decal right there. The wheels and the details on the wheels, and the red lines that cut through the tires as well, which is just very nice by itself. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, I always like this, you know, look at this, look at the spoiler. It says 2F2 FO3. I'm sure there is some significance. I'm not really sure what it is. So let me know in the comments below if you guys know what it means right here. Then we've got a Nissan logo and GTR written at the back, which is the only place where they've written that this is it, Nissan GTR. The classic, the real light temples, but they're painted, they're not printed, or they're not plastic temples. I'm sorry, they're actually painted, which I don't know. I'm not really a huge fan of this. If you know they had plastic temples, that would have made it much more cooler. And obviously, if you look at the base of the vehicle, not much details there, and it's a very translucent base, which I think is something that the ID series has in common. It says BNR34 right there. And yeah, all in all, I think it's a nice car. It's something that I will definitely showcase, you know, in my room. It's a very nice showpiece. But just like guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like that guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have missed time unboxing this car. This insanely amazing Hot Wheels ID. It's gonna go insanely well in my collection. But just like that guys, this video's over. I'll see you in the next one. And I'm out. Bye.